QuickBooks POS system is being phased out. Here's what you should know. If you operate a store and use QuickBooks POS, you may have gotten some disturbing news recently. QuickBooks is abandoning its POS system. While this may create some concern at first, there is no need to panic. In this video, we'll go over all you need to know about the scenario and explain why switching to Shopify Point of Sale is the best option for your business. What's going on with QuickBooks POS? The simple explanation is that QuickBooks will no longer develop or maintain its point of sale system. This implies you'll need to find an alternate option if you're currently utilizing QuickBooks POS. Why is QuickBooks phasing out its point of sale system? While we don't have all the specifics, it appears like QuickBooks is suspending its POS system in order to focus on other parts of its company. QuickBooks will continue to develop and maintain its accounting software. So if you use both QuickBooks Point of Sale and QuickBooks Accounting, you can be confident that your accounting software will continue to function properly. What is the best QuickBooks POS alternative? There are other solutions available, but Shopify Point of Sale is by far the finest. Shopify has been the dominant e-commerce platform for many years. Its POS system is incredibly user-friendly and smoothly connects with Shopify's online store platform. In other words, if you already use Shopify to run your online business, switching to Shopify POS will be a piece of cake. Furthermore, Shopify provides 24/7 help in the event that you encounter any issues. Click the link below to speak with an expert about if switching is the best option for you. QuickBooks is terminating its point of sale system, which implies that store owners who use QuickBooks POS must find another option. The good news is that Shopify Point of Sale is an excellent choice for any retailer in need of a new point of sale system. It not only integrates effortlessly with Shopify's online shop platform, but it also provides 24/7 help in the event of a problem. So, if you're searching for a new POS system, Shopify Point of Sale is the way to go. To speak with an expert one-on-one, click the link below.